Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show y'all GOODWAY Musical Walker. Now, if your baby has just started crawling and is going to be ready to walk in a few months, then this is one of the best toys for your child. So let's have a look at the GOODWAY Musical Walker. So guys, this is a GOODWAY Musical Walker. So let's have a deeper look into it, like what all do we have here. So right here, right on top, we have the switch on button. You just need to slide it to switch it on, and you can see the lights go on. So right on top, we have these different shapes. Like we have a triangle here, there's a square, there's a circle, right? And all of these, each of these things have a button with a light on it. So you can see this when I'm pressing the triangle, you can see it light up and make a funny sound. Similarly, the square is there, and then there's a circle here. Now the best part is this: the kid can actually remove the shape and try fixing it. It really helps them with those little fingers to get that grip. So very nice thing here, a good activity for the little children here. So each of these shapes come out, and they can actually remove them, pull them, put it back. Very interesting thing for the little explorers here. So right next, after that, below it we have these clocks which the child can actually turn, and if you'll see, if I'm turning it, the teddy bear is also shaking its head. It's quite cute to look at, and quite a good exercise for those little hands there. Also, we have a beautiful tune working in the background when we move the clocks. So these are some nursery rhymes playing behind the tones of nursery rhymes. Okay, moving ahead. On the right hand side, we have the volume control. Right now it's on a high. You have like a 3-function volume control here: low, medium and high. Right? So on low we can see volume is very low. Switch it to medium. A bit louder, loud and quite loud. So we have 3 volume controls here, 3 level volume controls. Then moving ahead, below we have a rattle which can spin. It has some colorful balls inside there. Some fun here. And there's another rattle on the right again which goes round. And right here, this is where the speaker is. So the volume, the music comes from here. You can hear the music from here. It's pretty loud. Okay, going on the left hand side here, we have a switch thing for the movement of the fingers, to try their fingers on it. Quite helpful for them to get those grips. Different textures here to try. And wonderful music and sound, music and lights coming here, which actually like attract the children towards the toy. Going ahead, below we have 4 different sounds from 4 different instruments here. So there is a piano here. You can see the lights go on and the music playing. Piano music there. And then the next one here is the drums. And a piano along with the drums is playing. Now we have the cello playing in the background as well. So this is cello. And the last one here we have is a trumpet. Okay, now below this we have the piano keys. We have 5 piano keys. Very bright colors which the children will like. Very beautiful, good make here, good plastic use here. Really tough, unbreakable plastic this is. And right here, one function that we have is the music. So when you click on this, you can hear different nursery rhyme tones which keep playing. A wonderful toy here. The best part about this walker, I tell you all, is this whole activity board can actually be clicked off right here. I just removed it off, and now if the child is small and not ready to walk yet, he can actually play lying down with the activity board. So the activity board actually comes off, and like I told you, this works on batteries. So there's a battery space here. It requires 3 batteries. I can open it up and show it to you later. But this is a wonderful toy, a perfect toy for an infant who is learning to walk. So here, so it's very simple to take it off and flip it on again. There's you can see there's a slit behind here which goes into this groove. So we just need to place it on and then press it till you hear a click sound. Okay, again if you need to remove it, you just need to push this button up and it comes out easily. So not much of a hassle to take it off and put it back on. Right? Now I'll come to the best part about this walker. Why I feel this walker is the safest walker for your child. Because all other walkers come with plastic wheels which kind of move fast. The child is not able to control the speed of the walker. But this walker comes equipped with rubber wheels. There's a rubber band on the wheel which actually creates friction and doesn't allow the wheels to move fast. So you can see this. I can actually pull it off for you all and show you all. See this rubber band here? So this actually creates that friction and doesn't allow the walker to actually move fast. And another great feature about this is there is a speed control in this. So when I say speed control, let's go right below the walker and see it. Okay, now here there's a locking system here. So if I unlock this, right now it's unlocked. Okay, so when I unlock it, the wheels will go much faster. So the child can move faster. You see this? Actually going fast because I've unlocked it right now. The moment I lock it, let's go back and lock it. Now I locked it. So this is the lock feature. Now that I locked it, the wheels won't move that fast. Right? Okay. Now, another issue with most of walkers is it is quite light for the child. The child can easily pull it up while walking and lose his balance. But as you can see, this walker is quite steady. And I'll tell you why this walker is steady. So you can actually control the weight of the walker which the child can push around. Very simple technology used here is a weighted bottle that they have put in. So there's a bottle filled with water here. You can just unlock it here. You see this? There's a water bottle placed in here in place, which has water filled in it. So if you have a grown-up child and he's too strong, then you can actually fill up the bottle, place it in, it creates a weight on the walker already. So your child can't easily push it forward and run around, but he'll be able to push it around and walk slowly with it. So you can lock it into place and you have a weighted walker around you. Right? The next part is, like I told you all, like this walker grows with your child. Your child you can actually buy it when he's like 6 months old, when he's crawling and active stuff, and he can play only with this board here, this detachable board. He can play at 6 months. The child can play with this board, like with the activities and stuff. Once he starts trying to stand up and stuff, then comes the walker. Right now he can hold on to this walker and try to stand, and this walker is very steady. It won't move easily. So you can easily like be less worried about a child falling and hurting himself trying to, because this walker won't tumble up even if he tries to pull it hard. So this is a very good quality walker. Then once he's a toddler, he can just run around with this. Now this walker is height adjustable. If you'll come close and just look at it here, there's a button here and there's a button here. So when you press these two buttons, you can actually adjust the height of this walker. It will grow 2 inches taller in height. So once your child is like say 2 years old, he can actually pull it up and run around and play around with it. It's quite a fun thing for them. Also, this walker features a small basket here where the child can keep his favorite thing like some cookies or a bottle of milk, stuff, and he can play whole day along with this walker. So this is a GOODWAY musical walker. Comes loaded with a lot of activities for the child, and right from 6 months to 2 years, 3 years, all age group toddlers are going to enjoy this walker because it has wonderful music in it, has bright lights in it, which will definitely keep the toddlers interested in this toy. And they have rattles for younger kids, and then they have musical keys here, which the elder ones can play along with. And the nursery rhyme tones. A click of a button here. I'm changing the nursery rhymes at a click of a button. So there are close to 10 different nursery tones here. Showing here. So really good toy to keep the toddler. This toy is a perfect toy for any toddlers from the age group of 6 to 2 years. You should definitely invest in this walker. Do let me know your views. What was your experience of the toy, and what do you think is the best walker for your kid in the comments below.